This exercise is known as the pen method, and all you need is a pen. I'm gonna show you how to use that pen to improve your articulation. Articulation is the way you pronounce words when you speak, and that includes the shape of your mouth and the movement of your tongue. This exercise will improve the way you pronounce words when you speak, and that means you will sound more clear when you speak, and when you sound clearly when you talk, your message is understood exactly as intended. Speaking clearly minimizes misunderstandings, and when your articulation is good, people view you as confident, and as a result, you will be more confident and competent. Using a pen to improve your articulation is a common speech exercise, and it's best used carefully. And I want you to know that the goal of this exercise is not to strengthen your mouth muscle, or to become aware of precise pronunciation. Alright, so are you ready? Let's get started. The first thing you're gonna do is you are gonna hold the pen horizontally between your teeth, not biting hard, okay? Like this. This is how you're gonna do it, so your jaw stays slightly open. Do not put the pen so far into your mouth that it feels unsafe or uncomfortable. Don't do this. This. Yeah. Once you're there, the next step is to read aloud for 2 to 5 minutes from a textbook or an article, or just anything written in English. And I want you to speak slowly, exaggerate each consonant and vowel. Do not rush. The goal is not to rush and pronounce everything. The goal is to do it as slow as possible so that you get every pronunciation, you get to exaggerate every pronunciation, every consonant, every vowel as possible. So once you do that, remove the pen from your mouth and immediately read the passage again. Read the same passage again, and when you do this for the second time, you're gonna feel a difference. You're gonna feel your speech becomes more freer and more clear. It's like when you're in the gym and you start by lifting a heavier weight like 50 kg, and then you go to a lighter weight like 10 kg. You feel the difference. It's like speaking with your pen in your mouth is a way harder than speaking without a pen in your mouth, and that is what also makes your speech feel clearer. And you're gonna have to record yourself before and after using the pen just to hear whether your articulation actually improves. So record yourself before using this method, and then record yourself after using this method just to hear the difference of how your articulation will have improved. And while doing all of this, I just want you to focus on clarity and not speed. Just focus on speaking every single word. Focus on pronouncing every single word clearly. I want you to keep your lips, your tongue, and jaws moving deliberately. Just let it be there and move it deliberately. That is, move it intentionally. And of course, when your jaw gets sore, just remove the pen and take a break. But let us try using this exercise and see how it goes. So I have a few phrases that I want this method to help me read them and articulate them clearly. So first I'm gonna read it without the method and just hear how I sound. Red leather, yellow leather. Red leather, yellow leather. Red leather, yellow leather. I don't really sound clear when speaking this, so I'm gonna use the pen method to help me sound more clear while speaking. Red leather, red leather, red leather, red leather, yellow leather, red leather, yellow leather, red leather, yellow leather, red leather, yellow leather. Okay, let me now try pronouncing it without the pen. Red leather, yellow leather, red leather, yellow leather, red leather, yellow leather. Oh my god, do you not? My mouth feels a little bit lighter when pronouncing these words compared to when I first started pronouncing that before I used this pen method. I feel like my mouth is more lighter. You should try it yourself so you feel the difference. Red leather, yellow leather, red leather, yellow leather. Try pronouncing these words. You can also try pronouncing the following phrases. Unique New York. Try that. You can start by pronouncing red leather, yellow leather, just like I did. You can also do unique New York. You can also do tongue twisters. Tongue twisters are definitely the best way to use or to practice this exercise. It will help you improve your articulation. Just try it for yourself. I hope this video was helpful, and I hope this method helps you improve your articulation. If this video was helpful, kindly subscribe to this channel, like this video, and comment and tell me if you're gonna try it, because I also want to know. And if you already tried, tell me how you did it or what you use for articulation. And with that being said, let's catch up in my next video. Bye bye.